Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. Today, we're diving into the setup process of the TP-Link AX55, a powerful Wi-Fi 6 router designed to boost your home network's speed and coverage. Whether you're upgrading your current router or setting up a new one, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your TP-Link AX55 is up and running smoothly. Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link AX55. Inside the box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. The sleek design and compact size make it a perfect addition to any home setup. First, plug the TP-Link AX55 into a power source and connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Make sure both devices are powered on. The router's LED lights should start blinking as it powers up and establishes a connection. On your smartphone, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the TP-Link network. Once you locate it, tap to connect. This step will link your device to the router, allowing you to access its setup interface. Launch the Tether app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have one, create an account to continue. The app will guide you through the setup process, including setting up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Then comes the second method, that is the manual setup via a web browser, which involves accessing the router's configuration page directly from your internet browser. To start, connect your device to the TP-Link network, then open a web browser and type in the default IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, in the address bar. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter the default credentials provided in your router's manual. Once logged in, you'll be guided through various setup options, allowing you to customize your Wi-Fi settings, set up security measures, and configure your network according to your preferences. And hence your TP-Link AX55 setup is complete.